Okay, so what's been happening? So this is a week after we've just done a load of planting, and I'll give you a quick tour. It's about the 20th of March, so in about a month's time we're going to start putting some cuttings in. So I'll just the fire hose here. I'm finding it quite an effective way of roof out by a couple of meters and create a sort of shade here, which you still might do. I don't know. It depends on how much it costs. But if I can't do that, I'll put in the same thing, and that's what this post hole's for here. So that'll come to here. There's another one over there, and then that hole, and then there's another hole over here. So this is about 4 meters, and then there's similar ones over the other side, the whole length of the house. That's where there's going to be a grape trellis. So so the idea is there'll be the shade, then there'll be the grape trellis, and then so from this window you'll be looking out over here around about where this stump is, probably a bit further actually beyond the stump, but in line with the window you'll get a square on view with the fountain. And then the fountain water is going to come down, and I'm thinking of piping it under the house in a sort of big pipe, and sort of around the house. And the idea under the house, but in a whole sort of maybe have four, you know, go that way, that way, that way, that way, and that way, and that way, and that way, and then come back out again. And then it's going to go under the driveway maybe here to a water feature here. And then on the fountain there'll be a pump, and when we turn up, we'll put the pump on, and that'll pump from there up to there and just do a circle. And what that hopefully should achieve is, as you get the breeze, the fountain will cool the air as it goes through, then it will get cooled down further onto the grapevine and onto the shade, and it goes through the house. We get side breeze, and they'll come out the other side. And at the same time, there'll be cool water underneath the house. And if I use that in conjunction with some vents that I'm thinking of putting on the roof, we should be able to draw cool air through the house and have a huge effect on cooling this house down. So that's the plan. I don't know whether the pipes are going to work. I'll be investigating that more over time. So I think that's it for today. So I hope that gives a bit of an overview of the plans and where we've got so far in March. Okay.